That's your charm rate to 10, yeah, without the one. Couldn't make me love you if you held me with a gun.
Hi, I'm Jesse.
I'm Ty.
I'm Chad.
We're tying the semi-automatics.
Collectively.
You're watching The Scene. We just played at North St. Mary's and we're headed to Natchitoches, Louisiana, unfortunately.
It's late. It's 1:30.
So stay tuned to The Scene.
Hope you enjoy.
Watch our new video coming up next. Rivendell. And I see it all so clear, watching the clouds disappear, disappear. Late at night I call your name, 'cause things don't seem the same, seem the same. I can see it all so clear, watching the clouds start to disappear. Oh, mother. Everybody knows you're me. I can't help the others to see. All but me. I didn't think you wouldn't care. All our friends think you should share. Oh, you should share. Oh, you should share, baby, come on. I can see it all so clear, watching the clouds start to disappear, disappear. Oh, come on, baby, now sing it to me.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris, your DJ for The Scene tonight. And coming up, we got a great show. We've got the Hubcaps, we've got Trilogy, we've got Dead Crickets, we've got Infidels, and we've got a bunch of other bands, so check it out. Right now, we've got a video by Sean Castile and the Hubcaps, so check it out.
All right.
back. Coming up next is Billy Eli and Lost in America. They're out of Austin and they're on the show, so check them out.
Thank you and good night.
What's the matter? Feeling kind of strung out there? Good timing.
Hey, we're back again. Coming up next, we got the True Infidels. This is the one everybody keeps asking me, is that really the girls' bathroom? Yes, it is. So if you've ever wondered exactly what it looks like in a girls' bathroom, you've never been in one, here's your chance. Coming up next with the True Infidels.
Is it true that you're the funny member of the band?
Yes.
So, do you think that was the fifth Beatle? Hi, I'm Richard Turner. For the best in Beatle music, be sure and tune into my show on Sundays from 9 to 12 for the best of the Beatles with Richard Turner on KSYM. For the best in local music, check out The Scene, late night Friday at 1:30 on KABB Fox 29.
Hey, welcome back. Hope you liked that last video. Before we go into the next video, I just want to say if you've got a small business out there in San Antonio or South Texas looking to do a little TV advertising, give us a call, Scoggin Entertainment, 697-0313. We hit over 10,000 households a week, and combined with Bitter Magazine, who we have cooperative advertising with, we are hitting the largest college audience in South Texas. So, without further ado, let's go into Trilogy.
Boys and girls, gather around. The show's about to start. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a video here at the Tropia. Now we're going to start some rock and roll.
Steady, steady. Have your tickets ready.
Now we're going to do a song. This one's called Enjoy the Ride. It's about life. Why don't we work it out? Why don't we talk it out? Why don't we spend a little time? Fly right on the merry-go-round, one more singing out, one more winter back. Now I know that it's only emotion, taking me far away. I need time, need devotion. I think I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. I really miss you then. It's every little time. It was so clear and so good. I was such a fool. I didn't know what to do. I stood on that mountain, thought that I would fly. But now I know that it's only emotion that can take me far away. Every day is one step closer to our life is through. Till life is through. Every day is just one step away from where I want to be. Every day is one step away from where I want to be. Now I know that it's only emotion that can take me far away. Till the day is one step closer to the light till I've been through. Hey, show the rock, yeah. Show the rock, yeah.
Alright, hey, we're back again. I'm Chris, this is Gene Turner, he's the associate producer for The Scene. And coming up next, we got a video by the Dead Crickets called Transparent Heart. First video we ever shot, but we are doing another one because we're sick of running this one all the time.
I like that. I like that.
Well, I know you, and I strayed through this thing you call love, this thing you call love. Well, I know you say that we were through and you were tearing us apart. Tearing us apart. Hell, darling, you couldn't charm a flea off a dog. Hell, you couldn't talk mud from a hog. And if you think you got to me, darling, yeah, I could see straight through your transparent heart. Transparent heart. Transparent heart. Transparent heart. railroad trains paying high.
We can edit sound into this, right?
Oh,
Make
yeah.
it sort of MTV news-ish.
Definitely.
Cool.